ninth grade, a teacher investigated, "Dear Noor, would you like to participate in an Urdu speech competition?" I said, "No, ma'am, since I am good at English speeches only." She said, "Oh dear, listen up. Oh dear, you don't have to worry about winning, since judges are my friends, and I can easily convince them to give you first position." And oh my God, this is how we corrupt our children. When I refused her, I was called mannerless, arrogant, and I will see when you will become a teacher, kid. And now that I've grown up, I realize how corruption is so deeply rooted in our society that we are corrupting our children unintentionally by telling them that they have to win, even by wrong means. Today, our teachers, our elders, our parents constantly tell us that, "Dear Noor, you have to be sales officer, you have to be CSP, you have to be custom inspector, ACDC, this and that." However, no one ever tends to tell me that I have to be beautiful as well. Today, 90% of the students want to be public administrators because they want a lavish lifestyle, not because they want administrators. They turn out to be obsessed. Fear corrupts, perhaps the fear of losing tax power. We have misunderstood the corruption only for politicians, for military, for high-profile officers, for bureaucrats, for judiciary, but that's not the right approach. Corruption prevails in our society so deeply, just in case a license, a permit, a ration card, a bed in a public ward, a place in the endless queue of life. If you want it, you will get it. Just pay the price. It seems like we suffer through corruption and we perish through corruption. Corruption exists in various evil forms in our society, such as favoritism is corruption, nepotism is corruption, cronyism is corruption, proclaism is corruption, bribery, embezzlement, injustice, extortion, exploitation of power, even spending is corruption. My question to you is why this contagious disease is spreading from individual level to high public sectors of my nation. And I must say, root cause are we. Root cause are we, not they, he or she. It's not them, it's us. We lack morality. We have the greed for power and money. We have low level of transparency and high level of political monopolization. We have low level of democracy and high level of bureaucracy. Corruption breeds and promotes the conceivable vices in our society. It deters economy, undermines democracy, fuels poverty and hunger, declines economic growth, responsible for lawlessness, anarchy, and ultimately the downfall of my nation. But now what? What is our responsibility as a nation towards the eradication of this disease? How can we stop those hands who brutally silence those voices raised against corruption? And believe me, there are multiple medications and precautions suggested by many. But according to me, the most effective ones are accountability and transparency. Accountability, transparency, not discrimination, freedom of press, rule of law leading to meritocracy, good governance, and high level of ethical and moral foundations are the vital embodiments to fight corruption and ensures that malfeasance is exposed and corruption is eroded. We must learn lessons from the mighty nations that faced downfall due to corruption, such as Roman Empire, Ottoman Empire, Mughal Empire. Because in Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, the downfall of unjust nation is inevitable. Now, this is the critical moment for us.